How to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner, you will find three bars. Click on it. Click on the settings icon. Navigate to the option of privacy and safety. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Now, under security, you will find the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. Open this option. Open this option of message storage. Click on the option Turn off secure storage. Click on Continue. Now I can head back, open this option Security Alerts. Click on the option Manage Security Alerts. Toggle off for these options. Then you can head back, go to the chat section. Now what you have to do is delete the entire conversation. Head towards the end-to-end encrypted chat. So this is the end-to-end encrypted chat. Now I have to delete the entire conversation. Long press on the conversation, click on Delete. Delete this entire conversation, click on Delete. Just with that, you have disabled end-to-end encryption for the chat. By following the same step, you can easily turn off end-to-end encryption for other chats. Well, that's a wrap for this video. That's how you can easily turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.